Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into the enchanting world of Christmas in London. I'm your host Barnali. I can't wait to explore the festive wonders this city has to offer. Let's get started. Friends, this is the hotel where we are staying, Leonardo Hotel, and today this is the Christmas morning, and we are ready to go to London just to celebrate Christmas. तो अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं क्रिसमस मनाने, और हम लोगों ने कैब ले लिया है और हीथ्रो से लंदन कैब में लिया है 36 पाउंड। और अभी मैं एक्सप्लोर करूँगी from the morning, from the afternoon, sorry, till night. The Christmas कैसे celebrate करते हैं
Speak Bengali.
लंदन
If
वाले
I don't
लोग।
teach, how he gonna learn Bengali? Because some parents they still feel proud their children speak very good English, but that's their native language. No? They will get that.
That
from
is
school.
also important.
They will get that eventually. The English. We don't need to teach them.
Yes,
But
yes.
we have to teach Bengali because they didn't listen.
कैब का जो ड्राइवर था वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन था, यंग मैन। तो ही इज़ फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश। तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा एक बात बताया सब हम लोगों को कि इंग्लिश बच्चे को इंग्लिश तो आ ही जाता है, अपने आप बोल सकते हैं बच्चे, लेकिन मेन इम्पोर्टेंट जो है नेटिव लैंग्वेज अपना मदर टंग बच्चे को सिखाना चाहिए।
That river cruise is very nice.
This is central or which?
Near Central,
Near central, okay.
Kensington.
Hmm.
The Arabs, it's expensive. This is very famous, Harrods.
Oh, Harrods.
All the Arabs, these are all Arabs. To Cutty Shark is Greenwich, basically Greenwich. The station is called Cutty Shark. So when you go out, you can see the Greenwich University. It's nice also.
Yeah.
There's a Greenwich Maritime where the time.
Hi guys, and I am from Piccadilly Circus, London, and Merry Christmas to you, all of you. I'm going to share everything in the details. So guys, welcome to the vibrant heart of London, Piccadilly Circus. Surrounded by iconic billboards and bustling with energy, this famous intersection is a hub of activity. Whether you are captivated by the dazzling lights and entertained by street performers, or eager to explore the nearby theatre and shops, Piccadilly Circus is a dynamic fusion of culture, entertainment, and urban charm. A must visit destination that embodies the lively spirit of London's city life. So, friends, this is Soho. It is a lively and electric district in the heart of London. It is a melting pot of culture, creativity, and entertainment. It is known for its historic streets. See the streets, guys. So, this is really iconic. And the boutiques and the diverse culinary scene. So, this is really very beautiful to see here. Soho, it captivates visitors with its vibrant atmosphere, and from iconic music venues and theaters to trendy cafes and hidden gems. Now, friends, we are going to have hot chocolate, which is very famous. A cafe is there, Italian hot chocolate and coffee. Why are you standing here? Oh, बहुत ठंडे है। क्यों, किस लिए बना रहे हो?
No, Italian bear chocolate.
Italian?
Bear chocolate.
Okay. After that we are going, after having the chocolate. Okay. सब लोग फनी फनी हो गए। देखो हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं अभी इटालियन चॉकलेट, हॉट चॉकलेट और कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए। 1 आवर ऑलरेडी हाँ हो गया है, बट स्टिल वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट। क्या स्पेशलिटी है?
यहाँ पे हॉट चॉकलेट अच्छा है और केक अच्छा है, तो
अच्छा।
वही खाने आ गए हम लोग।
हमने एक कैपेचिनो में किया है। दोनों में है ना वो?
फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों को 1.5 घंटे वेट करने के बाद क्यू में अभी चांस मिला है अंदर आने के लिए। तो जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ फेमस इट इज़ एंड पीपल आर वेरी क्रेजी टू कम। फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों ने टेस्ट किया है इटालियन हॉट चॉकलेट एंड इट इज़ रियली वेरी टेस्टी। यू मस्ट हैव टू कम वंस। So this is famous in London, and triple chocolate mocha that I tasted, it is really nice. So Italian bear chocolate famous for hot chocolate and for triple hot chocolate. So you must have to visit. I recommend all of you. So this is really unique. Now we are enjoying the Christmas lights. Oh, it's really beautiful. See, the people are there. All are coming from different places to celebrate Christmas in London. अरे देखो देखो देखो, ये छोटे बच्चे साइकिल लेके आ गया। So cute. Oh.
과? Guidia?
Someone like you, I wish nothing but the best for you. So don't forget me, darling. I remember and raised in love. Summer haze all by the surprise of our nothing compares, no worries, no cares. It's a mistake that memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet?
हम आ गए चाइना टाउन।
और पिकअप कल का रख दो।
এইটোতো এতিয়া বন্ধ, ইফালে হা ফালে যাওঁ। বাই বাই বাই।